Alright, hello everyone. Figured I'd do a brief status update on the 20,000 BTU weather wheel. Got the shroud out and the condenser fan out, and the condenser is swung out of the way, the most comfortable amount I would say. And clean the pan, and obviously the pan does have some rot. The two mounting posts were rotted away, but I was able to drill out the holes so I can put mounting posts back. This is the worst of it. The rear of the pan, where there's really nothing structural going on, so I think I'm going to treat it with primer and fill that in with Bondo. There is a little bit of rot right around this one compressor mount over here, but it's not through, and it feels kind of sound, so I'm going to try reinforcing it. The mounts actually look quite good on the compressor, so I'm going to try to leave. I don't want to touch this compressor or remove this refrigeration system for that matter, because of how heavy it is. This would be 3 people. But I got the new Bright soaking in right now, so hopefully these coils come out good. And this one's starting to foam already a little bit. And I got the blower motor taped off because the last time I worked on one and it got wet, the windings inside didn't like that on my 10,000. And it took a lot of effort to get it going again. And this blower motor has beautiful spin down on it, so I don't want to ruin it. So I sealed it off, try to keep the water out of it. But that's where we are right now. So I'm going to do a little update.